scenario, ballasting and deballasting. Ballasting water ballast tank for port. The pump number 1 is under maintenance, so the working pump is ballast pump number 2. Now I'm going to line up the ballast valve. Opening ballast valve number 3. Ballast valve number 3 is open. Opening ballast valve number 9. Ballast valve number 9 is open. Opening ballast valve number 12. Ballast valve number 12 is open. Opening ballast valve number 15. Ballast valve number 15 is open. Opening ballast valve number 10. Ballast valve number 10 is open. Opening ballast valve number 4. Ballast valve number 4 is open. And finally, opening ballast tank valve 4 port. Ballast tank 4 port is open. Now I am ready to open ballast valve pump number 2. Opening ballast tank valve number 2. Ballast pump valve number 2 is open. Now the water is flowing through water ballast tank number 4. And end of presentation.